We're pumping a bit of power into your Thursday, checking out a great Aussie manufacturer, one of only very few left in Australia. It's called Century Batteries, and they make the batteries that go in your car. This is the finishing line. They produce 1.5 million batteries every single year, 5,000 a day. And I'm joined now by Johnny. Johnny, just tell us about Robby the robot here.
Okay, so yeah, this is Robby. Okay, we commissioned him to help reduce workplace injuries with repetitive lifts. So Robby, every day, he can actually lift between 6,000 and 6,500 batteries.
Oh, very useful. And just quickly, you guys do some awesome work with recycling here.
Recycling is very important to us. So many businesses use polystyrene for the layers of stacking, where we use honeycomb cardboard, so we can recycle and reuse it and put back into the community.
Oh, well, thank you for joining us this morning, Johnny. And I personally like robots, Georgie and Carole, because my husband convinced me to get one of those little robot vacuum cleaners that cleans your floor.
They're good.
And I was really sceptical at first, but now that it's in the house, his name is Robby, and he's awesome. He's like our child, but a more useful child because he actually cleans the house.
Yeah, they're good, those little robot things.
Yeah.
And look at that beautiful battery there. I think they're magnificent things. That's why I used to collect them when I was a kid. I didn't win any trophies, but I collected batteries.
Wow.
There you
go.
A Century battery.
Yeah.
They last longer.
Yeah, well, a long time.
Yeah.
A century even, potentially.